Every morning, around the world, millions of children walk into classrooms that look a little different than they did just a few years ago. Instead of chalkboards, heavy stacks of paper, you'll find kids tapping away on tablets, scrolling through digital textbooks, connecting with ideas from all corners of the globe. For some, this is the future they always dreamed of. For others, it's still a bit unfamiliar, maybe even intimidating. But look a little closer. Really look at the smiles, the curiosity, the excitement in these classrooms. You'll see something amazing happening. Kids aren't just reading stories from a single textbook now. They're exploring entire libraries with a swipe. They're not just memorizing facts. They're watching history come alive on interactive maps, solving math puzzles with instant feedback, and even chatting with classmates halfway across the world. And let's talk about teachers. With smartboards and online resources, teachers are no longer limited by the four walls of their classroom. They're guiding students through virtual science labs, bringing in guest speakers from distant cities, and personalizing lessons to fit every kid's pace. But it doesn't stop at reading and math. Have you seen the sparkle in a child's eyes when they build their first robot? Or the pure joy when they write a line of code and watch a game they created come to life? Technology is turning children from passive learners into creators, inventors, and explorers. It's not just about screens and gadgets. It's about opportunity. It's about giving every child, no matter where they live, a chance to learn, to dream, and to reach beyond what was possible before. It's about opening doors to creativity, collaboration, and innovation. Of course, technology isn't perfect. It needs balance. It needs guidance. But when used wisely, it's not a distraction. It's a superpower. It helps shy kids find their voice, lets curious kids dig deeper, and gives every child a chance to shine. I believe the future of education is bright, not in spite of technology, but because of it. The tools our children use today are helping them become the problem solvers, leaders, and thinkers of tomorrow. So next time you see a child learning with a laptop or coding a simple game, remember, technology is not the enemy. It can be the key to a brighter, smarter generation if balanced with wisdom.